Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing to the Palace week 5 or 6 of the summer season. This week we're going to be having the Palace slides dropping. I might possibly double cart these, I'll be honest, and yeah, I haven't actually checked what their retail is, but that's probably what I'm going to be attempting to go for. It's just 2 pairs of the slides because I was trying to decide on which one would look better and I couldn't really in the end, so yeah, let's just get on with that, I suppose, and good luck to those who are going for it later on today. So yeah, let me know down below whether you took a W, whether you took an L. I also tried for the Poochie website this morning and it was horrific. I'm still on it actually, and my wait time is now 5 hours instead of a day. So yeah, horrific, terrible. Bots cooked, some manual did hit. I saw like across the board there's a small percentage, but in general bots. So yeah, let's just get into this anyway. Okay, so Palace is in just under a minute, and yeah, so I tried for Poochie this morning, obviously. Well, tried, I'm stuck on this, which I'm not going to do anymore. I've done probably about 40 of these ones to prove my humanity. I don't see any bots needing to do that, but yeah, regardless, no point complaining because it is what it is, so we just move on. Some people did get them manually, which is great, but yeah, I got this far, so yeah. Right, the drop should happen in about 5 seconds then, and yeah, I'm just going to be trying for both. We'll see what happens. 34 a piece, yeah, let's go for it. Chimneys, that is not a chimney, but okay. Go quick, lovely, that's what I like to see. My information is not saved because I had some issues with Windows, so yeah, but let's go through. I click for my card, there we go. Done, gone Palace, gone, double cart of it. I can't believe I'm about to spend £70 on some slides. I spent that on an umbrella, but yeah. Hey, let's go. I can't believe I spent £70 on slides. Oh dear. What have things come to? Right, let's go and look at their new tab now. Black colourway has sold out, wow. I saw also they took away the colourway of a pair of the shorts and jersey because it was a rip-off of an NBA team, so keep that in mind. That's not dropping this week for Palace because of that. I mean, just go for it. You put up tees with like graphics on of things that you're not allowed to, and then you just take them down. Slap this up, you know, go for it. Just take it down as soon as it sells out. Like, no balls, Palace. But yeah, slides have sold out, so just over a minute, they're gone. So keep that in mind. Jeez, that was actually quick. I'm in a really like funny mood anyway because I've had like an up and down night, so I'm just very much so going with the flow. So yeah, but yeah. Regardless, we cooked. So yeah, as per normal, let me know down below whether you took a W, whether you took an L today, what you were able to check out, what you were able to get and such. I'm glad I went for these in the end and I was able to get 2 in 1 cart. I love that. I can't do that with Supreme. I can't check out a box logo or anything else, but I can hit Palace. So I'll take that. Yeah, it's cool. But that's going to cover it. Nothing else has really gone. I've been dropping some refreshes. And yeah, nothing else has gone as of yet. So yeah, that is going to cover it. That is obviously the layout and order of everything. But yeah, I've got nothing else to say. I don't think that anything's dropping this weekend, or I've got anything set for this weekend. So yeah, more recently I've just been clearing a load of things out. So maybe at some point I'll get some things in to do an unboxing for the personal that I will be actually wearing. Maybe I could pick up a box logo, but I don't really want to be paying this like £170, £180 if I'm straight away going to be wearing it. So that blue on white also is so nice, but I didn't hit, so it doesn't really matter too much. So yeah. But anyway, thank you for watching. I've been talking a bit too much. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.